Welcome to business presentation of ACG Insurance. Let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Chintan Samar Singh, Chief Information Officer here at ACG Insurance. Today I am going to discuss about cloud computing and how it is fit for ACG Insurance. First of all, we will see a brief overview of my presentation. The purpose of this presentation: what is the cloud computing and how it is work? Cloud success stories of some companies, advantages and disadvantages, how cloud fit for ACG Insurance and recommendations, financial and sensitivity analysis, lesson learned and references. Purpose of this presentation is to share the knowledge of recently attended seminar on cloud computing, research finding on issues to consider, policies to develop, advantages and financial benefit when implementing cloud system, how cloud computing fit to ACG Insurance and recommendation for cloud implementation. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a computer resource deployment and procurement model that enable an organization to obtain its computing resources and applications from any location via internet connection. There are three basic service models of cloud services: software as service (SaaS), platform as services, that's called PaaS, cloud infrastructure as service, that is called IaaS. Cloud computer can utilize as on-demand self-services, resource pooling, broad network access, rapid elasticity, measured services. Actually, there are some associated risks in cloud systems. Those are organizational risk, operational risk, technical risk, and legal risk. There are some companies in cloud services. Some of our Elastic Box is one of management software provider that allows app to be portable and run regardless of whether their underlying infrastructure is one of many public or private cloud. CloudMunch is an software industry application lifecycle management software for agile development process. Work across the variety of public and private cloud or infrastructure platforms. Cloud Physics is another software company that uses a SaaS platform to deliver big data analytics to optimize how data centers run. There are some industry leaders on cloud service providers market. Those are Amazon, Google, NetSuite, IBM SoftLayer, Rackspace. When we talk about cloud computing, there are some advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are elastic and scalable computing infrastructure, availability of host software systems, backup and disaster recovery, speed of deployment, reduce effort and managing technology, reduce the capital expense of organization. There are some minuses. Cloud computing is critical depend on uninterrupted communication. There are some risk of stealing or corrupting data in communication line. Sometimes legacy systems are not properly integrated with the new cloud applications. We will see how cloud is fit for ACG Insurance. A proposed hybrid cloud model is the best suit for ACG Insurance because Hybrid solution provide private cloud environment within the public cloud system. So hybrid cloud model will provide cost-efficient solution for ACG as well as scalability and high security. How we should manage the cloud services when we come to our insurance company? We should clearly define security policies in service level agreement, that is called SLA. Implement the cloud with permis data. In this way, we can find if someone accesses the data without having permission. Establishing and enforcing chain of ownership. Automate functionalities that potential to human errors that will be help to reduce the more errors when using cloud system. Implement proper encryption and decryption algorithm. This will improve the security of our data in cloud. This is our business case. You can see there are some relevant benefits, relevant cost and cash flow for the next 6 years. You can see in first 3 years net cash flow is negative. From third year it is begin to grow positive and the payback period is 5.5 years later. Net present value is $1.99 million. Internal rate to return is 13%. Profitability index is 1.20. If we double the software acquisition, we can see total relevant cost also increases accordingly. New software acquisition will be improve the productivity and estimate to improve the productivity up to 20%. As a result, total improvement of cloud will get increased. We can see in the graph, payback period is further decreases. Now payback period is 5.3 years. Net present value is increases to $7.69 million. That was earlier $1.99 million before we doubled the software acquisition cost. Internal rate to return is 17%. Profitability index is in the 1.51. So it shows positive return on investment in this scenario. If we increase the discount rate another 2%, then current value will be 12% of discount rate. We can see all the indexes are going down, but still net present value is remaining positive figure like $0.5 million. We can still gain profit when it is in discount rate is 12. IRR is 13%, that is greater than the minimum desired rate. PI is 1.05, that is greater than 1. So we give it gives positive return on our investment. When we double the improved productivity and reduce the cloud support team cost by 50%, we can see our cumulative cash flow goes down and payback period decreases by another 1 year. Current payback period is 4.5 years. net present value is increased to $29.51 million. Internal rate to return is 48%. Profitability index is 4.93. Considering these three scenarios, we can get clear understanding. This investment is given a very good positive feedback, and this investment on cloud is very good for our business. As conclusion, cloud computing can be improve the performance and efficiency of the ACG insurance. Company can gain financial return on investment within 6 years. ACG insurance can expand with minimized infrastructure cost. Company will gain profit by improved productivity and reduced customer support team costs. Lesson learned through this business case is what is cloud computing, service model, deployment models, and experience of other companies, how cloud been to well-established company, advantages and associated risk with implementation, how to develop a business model and perform financial analysis, how to research and introduce new strategies or technologies to a company, how to prepare a professional presentation to demonstrate CEO and senior management of the company, how to use Excel feature to calculate financial cost and indicators like MPV, IRR, PI and payback period. Get a better understanding of what these indicators mean, how to record the slide presentation and upload in YouTube. These are some references. You can go through these references to get more details about cloud computing. Thank you.